Good morning, students. And today we start next topic in vector. So first one is the vector joining 2 points. So vector joining 2 points. Vector joining 2 points. Let x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2 and z2 be 2 points. Then vector joining A and B. Okay? Then vector joining the points A and B is given by AB is equals to OB minus OA. Okay, I have already told you yesterday. So OB minus OE. Okay, OB is what? X2 I cap, Y2 J cap, Z2 K cap. OB is what? Position vector of B. Position vector of point B minus position vector of point A. X1 I cap, X2 J cap, x1 y1, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. And now if you see that AB, vector AB is nothing but x2 minus x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay? And you know what is the modulus of that vector? Mod of that means magnitude of this vector? Under root x2 minus plus y2 minus plus z2 minus. Clear? This is the mod of AB. That means magnitude of the vector AB. This is nothing but under root x1 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. And if you remember, in class 11, in 3D, you read about the distance between 2 points. So this is the distance between 2 points also. Distance between the point AB, A x1, y1, z1 and B x2, y2, z2. भाई इस अगर हम वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड लें, so suppose here if we draw this vector A, Y, this is Z origin, A x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2 and z2. Here this is vector OA, this is vector OB. Use triangle rule, you will get the solution. OB plus BA is equal to OA. So according to that you find the vector AB, and this vector AB is nothing but distance between 2 points. Clear है? ये आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा भी था. Okay? So note it down. Now see section formula. Okay? Suppose this is the point Q and this is the point P, this is O. Position vector of this point is B, position vector of this point is A. Now suppose to be this is the point P, Q, O. Suppose to this is R. Position vector of this point is R. this point R divided the vector PQ in M ratio n. In which ratio? M ratio. Okay. Then what is the coordinate of the point R? What is the coordinate of the point R? That means what is the value of the vector R? Clear? Means we need to find OR. Position vector of OR is R, so we need to find R. Clear? So R is nothing but MB plus NA divided by M plus N. As you already in class 10 maybe section formula, M1 x2 plus M2 x1. This is not M1 M2 M x2, that is B, and x1 upon M plus. Okay, note down. PQ वैल्यू निकालने दे बेटा. PQ वेक्टर PQ को -3i कैप -5j कैप -4k कैप. Now see how will we get this particular R is equals to MB plus NA upon M plus N. If you see, then RQ, okay, PR upon RQ. PR, vector PR upon RQ, this is nothing but M by N, है ना? So N into PR is equal to M into RQ, है ना? What is the vector PR? PR is OR minus OP, OR minus OP, and RQ is OQ minus OR. Clear? Put the value. OR is R. Here we are going to solve. OR is R. OP is A. M. B. OQ is B. OQ is B. है ना? Minus OR is R. So after solving we will get this one. बताया ना कल स्केलर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन वेक्टर में सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. सो एन आर माइनस एन ए इज इक्वल टू एम बी माइनस एम आर एन प्लस एम, दैट मीन्स एन आर प्लस एम आर एम बी प्लस एन ए. क्यों? आर कॉमन हो गया. ठीक है, तो आगे का रिजल्ट है. Understood? This is the internal division. If you see the external division, only you put minus here. Did you get? So note down. In above discussion, if R is midpoint, then vector R is nothing but A plus B by 2. तो मिड पॉइंट के लिए वेक्टर क्या होगा? A plus B by 2. क्लियर? Now write a question. So that A is equals to 2i cap 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap and b is equals to I cap minus 3 j cap, I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, c is equals to 3 I cap, c equals to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap and minus 4 k cap are vertices of right angle triangle. Okay, these points are the vertices of right angle triangle. So what is given this? This is nothing but OA vector. Okay, so if we see here, A, B, and C, है ना? तो ये वेक्टर OA, OB, OC ये है. क्लियर? तो हमारे पास AB कैसे निकलेगा? AB, OB माइनस, हमको ये साइड्स निकालना है. फिर साइड्स का क्या करना है? मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना है और फिर चेक करना है कि ये राइट एंगल के तो पाइथागोरस रूल फाइंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड AB, दिस इज नथिंग बट OB माइनस OA. सिमिलरली BC, सिमिलरली AC और CA, whatever you want, है ना? And take mod of this, modulus of these three sides. Then this is length, and then check either they are vertices of right angle triangle or not. If it is right angle triangle, then what? Sum of squares of any two sides is nothing but a square of third side. Clear, eh? So find it first. So thank you for today, and you just do the exercise 10.2. Thank you.